Hello friends, and welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina, and today's video I like to share with you my mom's turkey chili. It's really good, it's really easy, and it's really low on Weight Watcher points, so I hope you enjoy. After you put your turkey in here, add an onion and brown it. This is my mom's recipe. One of Brian's favorites. I asked him last night, I said, what do you want for supper? I said, you want chili or turkey chili? And he said turkey chili. So that's what we're having today. And it's pretty low on Weight Watcher points. Actually, I believe the only points you have to count are your tomato juice. So whatever your tomato juice is your Weight Watcher points. Let that brown. Okay, our turkey's all ready to go, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon of chili powder, about a lid full. That's usually what I do. And then my drained green beans. Diced tomatoes, and a large can of 100% tomato juice. Stir all that up. And I bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, I let it cook on low for about 3 or 4 hours, and then it's ready for supper. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.